So Farhan, I would like to ask some interesting question and some fascinating question to you. uh, First, let me ask you that do you work or study?
Um, Sir, I'm studying in HSC Commerce by Commerce stream.
Okay, try to elaborate like, yes sir, I'm studying right now. I'm a student of HSC and I have been studying for last 1 year or what last 10 years. So yeah, something like that.
Okay.
Next question, could you describe what's the weather like in your country? It's a weather topic. What's the weather like in your country? Can you describe me the weather in your country? See here. So I think weather is quite predictable in our country. If you happen to go in India, you will find that the weather we have mostly three kinds of weather: summer, winters, and rainy. So most of the time we have a boiling hot in summer, and in winters I would say it's not chilling; it's just chilling. It's not freezing cold like UK or Canada. So and thirdly we have something like that. Can you try? So what's the weather like in your country?